Because obviously, I've read the report and you have a drug problem. Either you want help for your drug problem or you don't. Either you want help for whatever issues you have or you don't. If you don't, then guess what? There are other people who need the spots that I'm going to give you.
For sure.
Calling 2021 CR 5527, State of Texas versus Mina Blue Wilson Gautier.
Gautier, yes.
Okay. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
For East Sparks?
for the defense?
Denny Callahan.
And are you Miss Wilson
Yes, ma'am.
Gautier? All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication of Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance killing group 1 gram to 4 grams? That's a 3rd-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargaining agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargaining agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargaining agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargaining agreement in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication and for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Gautier, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargaining agreement?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived a right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargaining page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, there's to be a $1,000 fine probated. State recommends deferred adjudication. Will take in consideration County Court Cause number 629-035. Did you understand that to be the plea bargaining agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea bargaining agreement.
Yes, Your Honor.
State is at the plea bargaining agreement.
Yes, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargaining agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, and you're to follow treatment recommendations from the TAP evaluation and MIC-MILD evaluation. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Yes, Judge. State Office States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Ms. Gautier, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but the court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
She admits she's got a binge drinking and drug problem. She's anxious to get rid of that problem. I think she would be a good candidate.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do not.
All right. How far did you go in school?
I graduated and then I spent like a year at San Antonio College.
So the person who's listed in the report 01, who was that?
He's actually my ex, and that's
Jose Ramirez is your ex?
yes.
So how often were you using drugs?
Really not too often. It was really just him. Like I said, I'm just going to say no contest because I know it's just gonna take forever if I don't. Just go with it.
No, I mean, if you want a jury trial, we'll give you a jury trial.
No.
So, I mean, here's the thing, when people accept plea agreements, stop pretending like we're up here for no reason. We're here because obviously I've read the report and you have a drug problem. Either you want help for your drug problem or you don't. Either you want help for whatever issues you have or you don't. If you don't, then guess what? There are other people who need the spots that I'm gonna give you.
For sure.
So if you don't have a drug problem, and if you want to come to me with like, I was using maybe just a little once in a while,
I
then
definitely,
fine.
I definitely need assistance with that.
So what drugs have you been using?
Marijuana and then cocaine.
All right. Does anyone want to check on her to make sure she's okay? All right. Does she need water?
That might be what.
Brenda, that has happened to me on several occasions. It is not fun. All right.
Ryan Grimmer substituting for Brady Sparks.
All right. So what drugs have you been using?
And just marijuana and then cocaine at the time.
All right. What have you used in the past?
Marijuana and cocaine.
All right. Anything else?
No. I mean, after that, I did, with that same gentleman, I tried to commit suicide and I got a hold of something called GHB or GBH, I don't know. But I did that. And so that might be like, but that was 2 years ago. So I don't think that's.
So where are your parents?
They're separated, but my father's at work, so he couldn't, I guess, be here. But he's pretty much trying to get me back onto and away from that man. So that's why it's kind of.
Are your parents in San Antonio?
They're here, yes.
Okay. All right. Have you ever been employed?
Yes.
Doing what?
Bartend and serve.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. $1,000 fine that'll be probated. 2 years deferred adjudication. Taking consideration County Court Cause number 629035. 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to do that, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. I want a referral to felony drug court while in custody. MIC evaluation while in custody. Proof of employment within 30 days of release from custody. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors or any employment that involves you serving alcohol. And you're not allowed to work in any establishment whose primary purpose is to sell alcohol. You understand?
So we're gonna hotel. Like, I don't.
Yeah, I mean, you can work at a hotel.
But I work in like this, we serve like, they drink.
You're not allowed to work at a bar.
But so it's not, that's what I mean. It's the hotel, but I mean, we do serve that, but it's not a bar.
All right, here's the thing. If you're at a hotel and you're working behind the bar where they have drinks and you're making drinks for people and giving it to them.
It's more of serving at that location.
No.
Yes.
She's not to work as a bartender. She's not to touch alcohol. She's not to mix drinks. This is not the movie Cocktail with Tom Cruise. She's not allowed to do any of that. Anything that Tom Cruise did in Cocktail as a bartender, she's not allowed to do. So touching drinks, flipping glasses in air, none of that. You're not allowed. You understand?
Okay.
And once you are fully into your sobriety, the court will reconsider. But I'm doing this to remove temptation from you, okay? Because once people, if they're not fully in their sobriety, they start drinking, then it becomes other things. There should be no contact with Jose Luis Ramirez. What are you planning on doing with the rest of your life? Are you planning on working in a hotel for the rest of life? What do you want to do?
No, I mean, I was going to school for business and management, to kind of figure out how I was gonna be, because I do hospitality work, or, hospitality, is where I thrive in. But I was at this point trying to go more toward medical, just because medical is a thing and everyone, it's more.
Well, let me just, I don't want to step on anybody's strings. But anytime you have a felony case or any type of case where you're on paper, and you're trying to get employed in any type of thing that requires a license, they may deny it. So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to also, with regards to your community service hours, if you get a higher degree in business management, or if you get a certificate from a trade school, a real trade school, then the court will waive the remaining of your community service hours. So you can do the community service hours, or you can not do them and benefit yourself. Do you understand? Mm-hmm. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. If you're not allowed to report in person, or you can't report in person, you'll need to report by Zoom. If she's not accepting the felony drug court, then I'll try her with intensive outpatient treatment first. The UA hotline, field visits, 2 times per month, random. Is there anything else that she needs, Ms. Abrams?
No, Your Honor, I believe you covered it.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful in this deferred adjudication? All right, showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you. Court is calling 2020 CR 0679, State of Texas versus Antoinette Garnica. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Michael Villarreal for the state.
For the defense?
Jackson Lindsay on behalf of Ms. Garnica, judge, ready to proceed.
And are you Ms. Garnica?
Yes, I am.
All right, Ms. Garnica, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication. Motion to enter application. Oh, where is my mind, Brenda?
I don't know.
See, I'm looking at the clock and I'm trying to speed it up for you, but I need to slow it down.
Yes.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Antoinette Brianna Garnica who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 0679 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on July 23rd, 2021 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 4th day of March 2022 in Bear County, Texas, for defendant Antoinette Brianna Garnica committed the offense of assault in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
The state would waive and abandon the remaining allegation.
Any objections?
No.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is to deny the state's motion and alter and amend conditions of probation to include state ISF, both the cognitive and substance abuse tract. And once she's finished with that, she have ISP supervision. And as part of the agreement, the state is going to take into consideration cause number 2022 CR 3424, which is the new number 1 the defendant spoke to.
All right, defense, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Judge, I thought we were doing a 60-day jail sanction with ISP supervision. If you recall, the last time we were in court, my client we were in the middle of the plea process, and the court asked her, do you want me to plead true, knowing that you can sentence her up to the max? And I think at that point in time, she decided to change her plea because she was.
Yeah.
I
She
don't know,
wanted to
under
contest
a
it.
lot of anxiety. I don't think it's a matter of contesting it, Judge. I think it's just a matter of making sure we're all on the same page, if you excuse me.
All right, so I'm trying to figure out, Ms. Garnica, why I shouldn't just send you to prison. You're on probation or deferred adjudication for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and now you picked up an assault. So, the state is requesting that you, go to both tracks state ISF. And then, you're continued. So do you wish to do that, or do you wish to go to prison? I mean, it's up to you. If you want to go to prison, I'll send you to prison. I'll send you to prison for 3 years.
May I ask, would I even be accepted in ISF being pregnant?
Ms. Abrams, will ISF accept her if she's pregnant?
Not if she's gonna have the baby while she's home, so we have to find out.
Just how many months, if I may ask?
I'm 7 months pregnant.
7 months?
She would have the baby first and then she would go.
1 second, Judge.
All right, thank you. Are you okay with
Your
that?
Honor,
Finish the please. Yes.
she would have to have the baby first before going into state ISF.
All right. Well, this is the thing. The court has your plea of truth. The court is accepting your plea of truth. And you'll need to confer with the state again, Mr. You need to confer with the state.
Understood, Judge.
All right, because she's not going to be accepted into ISF. So I've had your plea of truth. We're going to come back after the lunch break, unless you all come up with an agreement before then.
I mean, I might have had a misunderstanding, Judge. This is something that Michelle handled while previously. And she agreed that it would be continued. And Mr. Lindsay's notes reflect that it was actually an agreement of 60 days. The jail sanction, a new TAP evaluation, and ISP supervision.
That was our understanding, Judge.
Okay, what is case being taken into consideration?
It's an assault family second case.
What's the cause?
Cause number 2022 CR 3424.
All right, this is what the court's going to do. The court is accepting your plea of truth. The court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions. And what is going on here? Is there a drug issue? What's going on?
There's no
Or
drug
just a
issue.
violent issue?
There's no drug issue. It's more of a trauma issue. And I'm currently in reentry through the jail programs.
Okay.
Completed half of that program.
All right, what we're gonna do then is I'm gonna alter and amend conditions to include a MIC evaluation. That'll be done while you're in custody. If you could have them expedite that. Who is the complainant in the other case? And does the complainant wish to be with Ms. Garnica?
He is not cooperating, Judge.
All right, what is his name? What is his name, Ms. Garnica?
Eli Vincent Lopez.
All right, there should be no contact with Eli Lopez. Taking consideration 2022 CR 3424. State, was there any drug issues with this case or not?
No, and it appears that there's an argument over, I believe, potentially alleged infidelity.
And we're gonna do parenting classes, field visits upon release. And that'd be 2 times per month. And there should be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Random UAs. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Probation will go over conditions with you.